our cheapo Chinese Phillips head driver, and it's stripped out when you get a tight screw. Just set your lock over to 29.5 as per Wikipedia. Just take a cut. If it's hardened, you'll have to just put a grinder bit on it. This one here, I thought I'd check the angle, but when you put it, say, level, it might be at 30. Vicky said 29, so... a bit more, but see, you can clean up. And you'll notice the taper gets larger, so it might be number 0. Next time you turn it, you might only be able to get a number 1, number 2, number 3 as they get shorter. So I'll just finish turning it up and see how it turns out. Okay, there it is turned. Nice sharp point, which I'll just file off. So you can see the taper. Bigger screw. I'll just file the you can see it's not hardened. No slack. There it is. A couple of minutes and you fix your old Phillips head screwdriver. There it is in the holder, so you can see the type I mean. I'll just machined up and ready to go.